616 game. At this age, how are them man still hating? My young boy in a different country, but he ain't never been on vacation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am finally doing my long awaited curly hair routine. So if you would like to see how I go from these curls to these curls, then keep on watching. So first of all, I shampoo my hair with the Castor oil shampoo from Shea Moisture. Then I use this Garnier Ultimate Blends conditioner, and you guys are probably like, what? Like, if you've watched my videos for a while, I'm always saying about how I don't want to use like drugstore products because they're bad for your hair, but this stuff is so cheap and has no parabens, no silicones, anything like that. If you don't know about that kind of stuff, I might make a video on it because I did one for like my first YouTube video about how to take care of curly hair. So today I'm going to be making a video on naturally curly hair tips, but that is really outdated now. But basically it doesn't have bad stuff in and it is very cheap, so I recommend it a lot, and I use this to detangle my hair before I deep condition. So then I go in with my Yucca and Plantain deep conditioner. If you are a true fan, you know that this was a conditioner that I used when I first started my curly hair journey, but then I changed to the other one, but then I changed back. But it works really good. I really like it. It makes my hair really soft. I don't really have a favorite deep conditioner, but I recommend like changing deep conditioners like at least every year because your hair can get used to it. So then I just let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. I go and do other stuff until it's ready to wash out.
6.5 hours later.
Then I get rid of the excess water with a t-shirt. Then I put in my Cantu foam stuff. I don't know what it's called. Everything will be left in the description bar below. Yeah, lady.
They're going out for the weekend.
Oh, where? Birmingham?
I don't know, but I almost said to Dion.
When you go?
No, I ain't going.
Oh, I ain't going. You're only a year older than her.
There's 4 of them. Yeah, but I'm not really...
Party goer, yeah. If it was a Christian concert. So finally I put in my Cantu co-activating cream. So after this I air dry my hair, and then this is the final result.
I think I might allow you to cash out, and if you wait at home, get up on my trap house. No, I don't want your number, no, I don't want to give you mine. I don't know what to
back your mush and pop with a different sauce and splash your cash. She pop with the edible, oh blue like sea purple. I don't know what to do.